In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the emblem, or also known as a nameplate, on this Ford Ranger. I'm showing you how to do it on the grille, but on the tailgate it will be the exact same process. The same emblem applies to both locations also. Let's get started. This is actually fairly easy to do because all you need is a trim tool of some sort, or really anything to pry with. At this point, there's actually a tab that comes up from the bottom, and what you need to do is stick a pry tool behind it, and you'll see this once the emblem comes off. Basically pry that back, and then it should release. Sometimes those tabs break, but regardless, the new emblem should come with double-sided tape on the back, so even if both of your tabs break, there's one here and one here, you can still just stick it on with double-sided tape. Okay, there we go. So unfortunately mine broke over here, but this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is stick a tool in there and pry it away. Now I cleaned up this area. Your new one should have some double-sided tape on the back side. Line up the pins and press it on, and that's it, installed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.